air, rock-a-bye bear is now asleep. Is now asleep.
Okay, everyone, once again, let's put our hands in the air, sway from side to side, and sing Rock-a-bye Bear together.
Everybody clap. Everybody sing. La 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 la. Come to your partner, and then you turn around. You know what to do. Hands in the air, rock-a-bye. It's now asleep. It's now asleep. It's now asleep.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The bear has fallen asleep, everyone, so we're going to have to wake him up. So let's say wake up Teddy Bear on the count of 3, and hopefully that will keep him awake. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up Teddy!